Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a web form in Freshsales. The first thing I want you to do is come here on the left hand panel on your dashboard, click on this gear cog. It will take you to admin settings, and here under admin settings make sure you are under leads, contacts, and accounts, and then here click on web form. Now what I want you to do is click on add web form, and then you can go ahead and name your form. So let's do answer AACP form. You can name this anything you want, and now we begin adding fields to the form. We will be creating contacts using this form, so I can go ahead and toggle this one on. If you want to create a count along this form as well, then you can go ahead and do that, but you'll need to add your account fields as well. I will go ahead and toggle this one off. If you want, you can also create deals along with the contact, and you will need to have them fill in these fields as well. Okay, I'll toggle these off for now, and we have different fields for contacts. Of course, you can add more if you want. So let's say, for example, right here you can add a job title. They'll have to fill this in, and here, as you can see, you can change the order. So if I go ahead and drag this up or down, we have our order, and we can change that order. So I'll keep email right here after first and last name. So these are the contact fields, and in the form, this is how we have them labeled. What they'll see is first name that they have to go ahead and label. Let me show you an example. This is just a quick preview. They'll see that they need to fill in the first name, and here they'll see an example of what it would look like. So last name as well, email, as you can see, they see the format. And if we come back here, these are the placeholders. This is the text they see inside. And of course, once they type in their name, that would go ahead and disappear, as you can see. So we'll come back here, and then here, contact field. This is a hidden field, but we have a default value that will be selected once a contact comes here and fills in their detail. So first of all, they're automatically going to be a lead first, and then we'll qualify them, and then we'll make them a customer. So this one is required, and it will be hidden in the form. Okay, now we can scroll down and customize text and colors. If you want, you can add a logo as well. So click here on upload to add a logo, and then click on upload again and choose your logo for your company. I'll use our channel logo. Then of course you can resize this if you want as well. I'll leave it as it is. Click on add, and then you can change the title of the form. So I'll just make this contact us form. I'll make this one more capitalized. Okay, then we'll scroll down. So here we have a description. Of course you can change this as well. And then here you can change the colors. So here are the font colors. You can change these, the background colors as well. Everything here you can change and customize. So this is our form color of the submit button. Let me go ahead and change this, and let's do the shade of pink. Click on OK, and the color of field labels as well. Everything here can be customized. And here under settings, when a record is created or updated via the form, I would like an email notification to be sent to me. So I have this one toggled on, and of course choose your email. If you want, you can also include an opt-in checks box at the end of the form. For example, they'll click on that checkbox to agree to receive communication or newsletters, promotional content, things like that. And I'll just go ahead and come down here. What should happen after the form is submitted? So you can display a custom message. For example, thank you, your information has been received. Be in touch with you to assist with your account. Or you could redirect them to a URL, maybe your website, for example. Okay, I'll leave a custom message here. And then let's go ahead and save this up. And after it is done being saved, you can go ahead and get the embed code and URL. So click here, we have the embed code and URL. You can come here, copy the URL, and you can just open it up in a new tab, and it should work. As you can see, we have our logo, and we have the submit button, the checkbox, everything as it is. And that is how to create a web form in Freshsales.